Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Notion user, you know how powerful it is for organizing your life, work, or projects. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to make a Notion page public in 2025. This feature is great for sharing templates, ideas, or collaborations with the world. Don't worry, it's simple and quick. Let's dive in. First, open your Notion app or head to notion.so in your web browser. Navigate to the specific page you want to share. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the Share button. It's usually in the top right corner, often represented by a little person icon or a chain link. Give it a click. This will open up the Sharing Settings menu. In the settings, you'll see options for visibility. By default, pages are private, but for 2025's updated interface, scroll down to the Who Can View This Page section. Select Public, or Anyone with the link, from the drop-down. Notion might prompt you to confirm this change, so go ahead and do that. Now, customize any additional options. For instance, you can choose whether others can comment, edit, or just view the page. This helps tailor it to your needs. Keep it read-only if you're just sharing information. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Apply Changes. Then, copy the shareable link provided. You can paste this link into emails, social media, or anywhere you want to share it. A quick tip: before going public, double-check your page for any sensitive details. Notion's public pages are accessible to anyone with the link, so protect your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully made your Notion page public in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.